Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing AliDropship Premium stores, which is a ready-made dropshipping solution that helps you start selling immediately. But before we dive in, you can just check out the link in the description to explore AliDropship Premium and see if it is right choice for you. So first we need to understand what is AliDropship. So AliDropship, as the name suggests, is a premium stores that are pre-built, fully functional dropshipping stores based on your successful e-commerce models. So they come with winning products, pre-optimized marketing strategies, and automation tools to help you launch and scale your business quickly. So the first thing that I like about this platform is that it is ready to launch. There is no need to build a store from scratch. The second thing is that it will give you proven winning products. So the stores are based on the real sales data, so you don't need to actually research for it. They will give you all of the things very easily. You will also going to get the one-time payment, so there is no recurring fees like Shopify, and you will also get the automation tools which are very easy for the order fulfillment, pricing, handling, and furthermore. So if you want to check out Ali Dropship, I will put the link of it down in the description. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.